Welcome back to The Lowdown. I am your host, Robert Rosenfeld, here to dig through your social feeds, find the tech news that really matters most, and tell you everything that you really need to know. We've got some big leaks on some new flagship phones, and Prime Day isn't over just yet. There are still some deals to be had. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to send us a video response with your thoughts on a story. Start thinking about them now. Here's The Lowdown. We've been reporting on Apple's triple-tier iPhone launch coming up this fall, and now we may be finally getting our first look at what the devices are shaping up to be. Photos are emerging from Ben Geskin that claim to show the front panels for the devices. On the left is the newer version of the current iPhone X. All the way on the right is the alleged iPhone X Plus with a massive 6.5-inch display. And in the middle is the rumored budget model iPhone that will likely have a traditional LCD display. These front panels would not only confirm the existence of these three new iPhone models, but also showcase slimmer bezels, bringing us closer to that bezel-less future, except for the notch that is at the top on all three devices and isn't going anywhere. We're expecting to see these new models of the iPhone launch in September, though there will still be many more leaks and rumors emerging well before that event even becomes official. The next generation of iPhones is not the only thing we're learning more about today. Samsung's new lineup of flagships looks like it'll have something for just about everyone. We're seeing some spy shots of the new Note 9, along with a do not leak sticker and all on the back, which, like we talked about last week, looks extremely similar to the current Note 8, with some few tweaks supposedly coming to the internals, a new S Pen, and some tweaks to the camera. We're also learning that the Galaxy S10 will come in 3 different sizes, similar to that leaked iPhone lineup we just talked about, with models ranging from 5.8, 6.1, and 6.4-inch screen sizes. But unlike Apple's flagship, reports are indicating that the 2 larger models of the S10 may have either a Samsung Face ID competitor or a fingerprint reader built in under the display, similar to that Vivo Nex phone, while the 5.8-inch model would be the cheaper option with the fingerprint reader built into the power button on the side of the phone. We'll see the Note 9 at Samsung's Unpacked event in August in just a few weeks, while the S10 will supposedly launch sometime in the spring of 2019. And Amazon Prime Day is almost over, but there are still some good deals you can snag right now. Despite some rough initial issues, at the time of this recording, nearly all Amazon devices are still on sale with steep discounts to products like the Fire TV, Kindles, and of course all those Echo devices, with some even coming with some smart bulbs bundled in. You can still get the Nintendo Switch with a 64GB microSD card and a $20 eShop credit for $299. The Bose QC25s are on sale for $125. That's down from the $299 price point that it's originally sold at. And it wouldn't be a sale without a deal on a less than stellar TV. So if you're looking for one of those, you can pick up the 43-inch Toshiba 4K HDR TV with Fire TV OS, and it's on sale for $250. So did you guys pick up anything on Prime Day? Did you get any good deals, or was it kind of a little bit of a meh shopping day? Leave a comment down below, or better yet, send us a video message on Twitter or Instagram. And speaking of comments, on last Thursday's episode of Lowdown, we talked about Apple's new super high-end and super expensive MacBook Pro, and your opinions seemed to be a little split. Grant McKenzie commented that he was not impressed. He said, "Love that the MacBook Pro is getting a bump in performance, but I'd rather save $400 and get Razer's new 15-inch with the 144Hz screen and a 6GB GTX 1060. And to that I would say, yeah, it's actually a pretty good laptop. We actually reviewed that laptop and did a video on it on this channel, so check out that review if you haven't seen it already. If you're looking to game on the go, it's a hard laptop to beat. But that wasn't the only comment we have to discuss. On that Apple Watch rumor, Oscar Marquez commented and said, "I really enjoy Apple's attention to detail by making the Apple Watch screen larger, but keeping the same form factor as the previous model, much like the iPhone X. And if those new Apple Watch renders are the real deal, I'd really love to see them as well." All right, guys, that's all I got for today's episode of Lowdown. Thank you so much for watching. Send us those video questions or leave a comment down below. Appreciate the support. Thank you for always tuning in. I'll see you guys back here on Thursday.